If you're ready to become a virtual assistant and start making money from the comfort of your home, then this video is for you. Stick around because I'll walk you through everything step by step and give you actionable tips on how to become a virtual assistant with no experience as a beginner. Stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Funke Afolabomi. On this channel, I share all the best tips and ideas to help you create multiple streams of income, work from home, and build a life of financial freedom. So if any of this resonates with you, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button to join the team today. Firstly, who is a virtual assistant? A virtual assistant is an individual who works remotely or virtually to provide support services to brands and businesses in achieving their goals. It could be managing emails and scheduling appointments, handling customer services, managing social media, or even bookkeeping. What makes the business of virtual assistants so amazing is that you can do this from the comfort of your home, from anywhere you are in the world. All you just need to start is your laptop and internet connection. Almost everybody owns a laptop and have access to internet connection, so you're good to go. Remote work is booming, and more businesses are realizing that they can save a whole lot of money by employing virtual assistants instead of full-time employees. Plus, you get to be your own boss, you get to set your own work time, work with the clients you love, and grow at your own pace. Isn't this amazing? So let's get ahead to the steps on how to become a virtual assistant. Step 1. You need to identify your skills and services. The first step is figuring out what services you can render. At this point, you need to think about your strengths. Are you organized? Are you great at communication? Do you love social media? You need to write down your skills and match them to services like email management, data entry, or even content creation. The more specific and valuable your services are, the easier it will be to find your clients. And remember that you do not need to know everything as a beginner. You can always learn new skills. There are platforms online where you can learn these skills for free. YouTube is the best platform where you can learn for free and learn a whole lot. We have Udemy, Coursera. These platforms are all amazing for training and you don't need to break a bank. Also, currently, ALX Africa is offering a virtual assistant course. You can make good use of this opportunity. Go to their website, ALX Africa, and look at the list of courses they have. So please, make good use of this opportunity before the window elapses, because I know the course is not usually on for a very long time. You can also take the course on platforms such as Expertnear as well. Check the description box of this video. I'll put the links on how you can go about taking a virtual assistant course in the description box, and also I'll pin it down in the comment section. The next step is getting the tools you need. As a virtual assistant, you need some tools to help you stay organized and efficient as a virtual assistant. Tools such as Asana and Trello for task management. You also be needing Zoom or Google Meet for virtual meetings, Canva for creating designs. Also, you need to get familiarized with your Google Office, such as Google Docs, Google Slide, Google Sheets, Google Forms, Google Drive, your Gmail, your Google Calendar. For email and inbox management, you'll be needing apps such as Gmail, Outlook, and Boomerang. Start playing around those tools. You can take a step further by checking online. Like I mentioned earlier, platforms such as YouTube will help you get familiarized with those tools. Then also in my next video, I'll be introducing you to those tools one after the other, so watch out because they are very important to you as a virtual assistant. The third step is set up your business. So now let's talk about setting up your business. These are the things you've been needing as a virtual assistant to get started. You need a professional email address. You cannot tell me that you're a virtual assistant and you're using Funke for Love, Funke Love, Tifa Love. Email addresses are not professional. No, you cannot do that as a virtual assistant, because what? You're a professional. You can use something like your name. For me, Funke Afolabomi at gmail.com. That sounds professional. You also be needing a resume or portfolio. Although this is not for everybody, but as a virtual assistant, I think it will do you a lot of good to have profile on platforms such as Fiverr, Upwork. LinkedIn is an amazing platform, and I can even say it's important. That's like the #1 platform you need to be as a professional virtual assistant. If you're also financially buoyant enough, you might also go a step further by creating a website where clients can see your services and testimonials. As a beginner, having a website should not be the main focus. Just start with what you have and grow. But if you know you're able to afford creating a professional website, please go ahead and create one, because this will help you look more professional and trustworthy. And also, do not forget your rates. Research what other VAs are charging for similar roles and services. Then make sure you offer a competitive pricing. The next step is finding your clients. I know the next question in your mind is, how do I find my clients? Firstly, you need to start within your network. Let your friends, your family, your past colleagues, your present colleague know that you're now a virtual assistant. Let them know the services you render as a virtual assistant. They might refer you to someone who needs your services as a virtual assistant. Also, social media is your best friend as a freelancer. Generally, you need to start building your online presence on platforms such as LinkedIn. This platform is very important to you as a freelancer or as a virtual assistant. Also on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, known as X. Start sharing what you're offering and how you can help brands and businesses as a virtual assistant. Another great way, and this is one of the best ways so far, I've gotten a lot of testimonies from this particular tip I'll be sharing with you. You need to join virtual assistant Facebook groups or forums. This is a great tip. There are usually so many postings on these virtual assistant Facebook groups, and this is a great way to connect with your potential clients. Also, make sure you have a profile on platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, freelancer.com, and the likes. The next step is tools and tips for success as a virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you need some tools to help you stay organized and focused. You'll be needing tools like Trello and Asana for task management. For virtual meetings, you need to get familiarized with tools such as Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams. Also, you'll be needing Canva to create professional designs. One important tool that we tend to overlook generally is Google Workspace. You do not want to joke with your Google Workspace at all. The Google Workspace is a collection of cloud-based productivity and collaboration tools offered by Google. Your Google Doc, your Google Slide, your Google Sheets, Google Forms, Google Drive, Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Meet, and so on and so forth. Please get familiarized with your Google Workspace. This is very important as a VA. In my next video, I'll be introducing you to those tools one after the other and how to go about them. You can also be proactive by going a step further. Go to YouTube and learn how to use those tools. It's very important to you as a VA. Also, as a virtual assistant, there are some skills you need to have. They are very important. Number one, communication skills. You need to be able to speak and write in English. This is to enable you and your client to communicate effectively. Also, you need to be clear about your services, the turnaround time, and expectations. Happy clients will keep coming back and keep referring you to potential clients. The next skill is time management skills. It is crucial to have an excellent time management skills to meet deadlines and ensure that all tasks are completed in due time. The third skill is computer savvy. You need to be proficient in using different softwares for different purposes. Like I mentioned earlier when I was talking about the tools you'll be needing, you need to learn how to work around those tools. Starting a virtual assistant business isn't just about the money-making part. It's about creating freedom and flexibility in your life. If you've been dreaming of working from home or starting something of your own, then this video is for you. Please let me know in the comment section what is stopping you from starting your own virtual assistant business today, and I would love to help you. And do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you find it helpful. And of course, you can check out my other videos on money making ideas and tips. And thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and click the notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I have a new video on this channel. I'll see you in my next video, and in other videos I have on this channel, I'll also put some of those videos right on the screen. I think around this end or this end, you see them displayed on my screen. Please do yourself good by clicking on those videos. See you in my next video. I love you all.